The importance of good character in Islam.
You know, one of the problems we have is we think that when you become religious, it means you have to be really mean, right? You have to be harsh. Sometimes people, as they become more and more religious, they become more and more harsh with their families. All of a sudden, everything is haram, and now they've actually become more hardened. That's not what it means to be religious. The Prophet ﷺ was the softest of people. He had the softest of hearts, and he said, خَيْرُكُمْ خَيْرُكُمْ لِأَهْلِهِ. The best of you are the best to their families. It's not that the best of you are the best to those in the masjid or the most polite to the people at the cash register, but the best to your families. That's actually the litmus test of your righteousness. How do you treat your family when you get home? That is the litmus test put down by the Prophet ﷺ. We have to go back to good character.